Welcome back to our channel. Nice to see you again. I'm Eddie from Always Be Fun. RG350M is one of the best handheld console in 2020. It do come with aluminum metal cell case with all black button. For me, I more prefer a rainbow button. So today we will replace the black button to this rainbow button. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, like the video and share the video. Let's get started. We need to take out all the hexagon screw. Remove the back cover. Remove the battery connector. Put aside. We can remove all the LR2 button and TF card, SD card. Now we need to remove the joystick connector, screen connector and all Phillips screw out. You need to remove the speaker connector from both sides. Once you remove the speaker connector from both sides, you can remove your board from the cell case. Just a bit be careful when you remove the screen ribbon from the connector. When you remove the board from the shell case, just be careful, especially for the on off button and the volume button. They don't have a right place to sit on it, that's why it's easy to drop. Now we can remove the rubber pad from our ABXY. RG350 button, you can't fix it directly to the RG350M. The button is same size, but the difference is the leg. This is a bit wider compared with RG350M. RG350, the leg is a bit too wider, so we may need to trim a bit and try to put it into RG350M. You can use the button to measure a bit where do you need to trim, from which direction that you may need to trim. That's the first button. So we'll do remain the same for all other 3 buttons. This button really fit into the cell case. This is 2 buttons that still remain of 3 legs, the 3 holder, the holder legs to hold the button. We just need to measure and trim a bit and shorten the holder leg, the button leg. B and X, unfortunately the button leg all are different, so to make it fit in, I need to trim away 2 legs and left a very tiny leg over here, so I may need to use a double side tape to help on it. This is the result. I'm trying to use a double side tape to fit in this hole. Because of the leg, we only trim it until very small, very tiny. So try to hold it and not let the button to move around. So our button letter still able to remain as like normal with a line with proper direction. So let's put all back together. Put back the back cover for hexagon screw, and we are ready to go. This is our RG350M with RG350 Rainbow Button. I do like it. Do you like it? Please do share with me. How do you think? Today our video will end here. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.